Hello everyone and welcome back to FixTech Lab. In today's video, we have a Vivo with a damaged display flex cable. Instead of replacing the entire display, I'll show you how to repair the broken flex cable using precision microsoldering techniques. This is a delicate repair that requires patience, accuracy, and the right tools. I'll guide you through the complete process from preparing the flex cable and rebuilding the broken traces to restoring the display and testing the touch functionality. If you're interested in professional mobile repairing and want to improve your microsoldering skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. Here, I'm carefully scraping all the display flex traces. The purpose is to remove the protective coating from each line so I can solder directly onto the copper traces. I'm also trimming the ends of these traces to make sure they don't touch the ground lines on the opposite side and create a short circuit. I'm using a number 11 precision blade for this job. As you can see, each trace has been cleaned and separated very carefully. I'll repeat the exact same process on the other side of the flex cable. The main signal lines are trimmed with precision to ensure they remain completely isolated from the traces on the opposite side. Now, I'll apply a small amount of solder to strengthen the exposed traces. After that, I'll use ultrafine jumper wire to reconnect each broken line. For the ground lines, I'll add additional solder connections to increase the mechanical strength of the flex cable. To fill the empty spaces and protect the repaired area, I'll apply UV solder mask. Once it's cured under the UV light, I'll reconnect every broken trace one by one. Restoring all electrical connections. One side of the flex cable is now complete. I'll apply another layer of UV solder mask for extra protection and cure it with UV light. Now let's move to the other side. The traces have already been prepared. I'll repeat the same repair process, apply the protective coating, and cure it again. These traces are extremely fine, so every connection must be made with maximum precision. Even a single missing or incorrect connection can prevent the display from working properly. This type of repair requires patience, steady hands, and complete concentration. It's very important to make sure that no trace comes into contact with another. I've now completed all the solder joints, and every broken connection has been successfully restored. After trimming the excess jumper wires, I'll apply another protective layer of UV solder mask. Before that, I'll clean the repaired area thoroughly with a brush to remove any leftover flux and debris. As you can see, every connection has been completed neatly, and none of the wires are touching each other. I'll apply the final layer of UV solder mask, inspect the repair one last time, and cure it under UV light. The display flex cable repair is now complete. display flex cable from the Vivo Y33s that we've just repaired. As you can see, all the connections have been successfully restored. Now, let's install it and test the display. There you go. The phone has powered on successfully, and the display is now showing a clear image without any issues. This is a Vivo Y33s, and the display panel has been fully restored. Let's allow the phone to boot completely. Now I'll test the touch functionality as well. As you can see, the touch screen is responding perfectly across the entire display. The panel's now fully repaired and working just like it did originally. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this repair and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FixTech Lab, and turn on the notification bell for more professional mobile repair tutorials. See you in the next video.